Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Proof. I'm Kareem.
And I'm Laila. Today we're diving into a topic that's shaking up boardrooms everywhere: how AI is reshaping leadership. Not in a sci-fi way, in a very real, your role is changing right now kind of way.
Exactly. I mean, the numbers are wild. Globally, almost 9 out of 10 C-suite leaders say AI is going to transform their business within the next 5 years. But here's the kicker. Only about 10% feel ready for it.
And if you look at Saudi Arabia, the acceleration is even sharper. More than 80% of CEOs adopted AI just in the past year. That's what happens when a country builds digital transformation into its national strategy. Vision 2030 isn't just pushing for innovation, it's demanding it.
So the big shift is this. Leaders aren't just making decisions anymore. They're designing systems that help make better decisions. AI is basically becoming a co-pilot. You're not the only brain in the room now.
Yeah, the report calls it moving from command to collaboration. I love that framing. The CEO isn't the single source of truth. They're orchestrating intelligence coming from humans, data, and machine reasoning all at once.
And every leadership role is evolving. Take the CEO. Traditionally, you set the vision, run long-term plans, and you're the big decision person. Now, you're working with real-time scenario models that update constantly. AI can challenge your gut instinct, sometimes for the better.
Same thing for CFOs. The job used to be about controlling risk and managing budgets. Now financial systems basically breathe. Forecasts update automatically, risk signals pop up before markets move, and investor sentiment is analyzed in real time. The CFO becomes an intelligence architect more than a controller.
And CHROs, honestly, they might be under the most pressure. Because if AI transforms everything, you're the one responsible for transforming the workforce. New roles, new skills, new cultures. You're building human-machine collaboration, not just hiring and onboarding.
Which brings us to the big leadership imperatives. First, you have to balance innovation with governance. AI lets you innovate at crazy speed, but the risks, security, ethics, data quality, grow just as fast.
Exactly. Leaders need 2 lanes running at the same time. One fast lane for experimenting and learning, and one protected lane for oversight, compliance, and safety. If those 2 aren't in sync, things fall apart.
Second, trust. Trust is everything. If people don't trust the data or the models, they won't use them. Leaders need to explain decisions, not hide behind algorithms. Transparency becomes a leadership skill.
And finally, the human side. We're moving into hybrid decision cultures, humans and AI working side by side. But here's the challenge. Younger managers are way more AI fluent than older executives. So leaders need to model fluency, not just talk about it.
That's the real message of this shift. AI isn't replacing leaders. It's redefining what leadership is. The strongest leaders aren't the ones who know everything. They're the ones who can interpret intelligent systems, build trust, and guide organizations that learn as fast as they operate.
And in Saudi Arabia especially, the opportunity is huge. With national AI infrastructure, data governance, and giga projects pushing the envelope, leaders who embrace this new model will shape enterprises that think and evolve alongside them.
That's all for today's episode of Future Proof. Leadership isn't about certainty anymore. It's about adaptability, responsibility, and intelligence.
Thanks for listening. Stay curious, stay informed, and lead with intention.